Today, we'll be taking a look at the heating element on this Whirlpool front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To access your components, you must first remove this rear panel here. Now, before we start to remove all of the 1/4" screws around the perimeter, we're going to get a pair of pliers and push in this drain hose. It is held on by one kind of clip at the top. Press it in, just kind of get that in the base here. Then we'll go around and remove all the screws. Then, before we remove the last screw, just hold on to the middle, just to make sure it can't fall. We'll put our fingers in the hole, lift it up, and set it to the side. Now that we have the back panel removed, we have clear access to our heater assembly down here. Now, it is not full access, as it does have a protective casing over it, and in order to test it out, we'll have to remove it. Now, why would you be testing your heating element? Well, that would be if your unit is throwing an error code that is in correspondence with the bad heater. So to get to it, what we'll do is we will remove the 2 terminals on each side with a pair of pliers. And then you'll want to pull out the thermistor wire by lifting up on the locking tab and gently pulling out. Now to remove this, behind here, there is a small plastic clip underneath. You press that up, slide it out, and set it to the side. Now, in order to test your actual heating element, what you'll want to do is use a voltmeter, and your heater should run anywhere from 10 to 50 ohms between these 2 terminals. If it is reading open, the heater will need to be replaced, and in order to replace it, you'll have to use a 10mm deep well socket, and there is 1 bolt in the middle that you'll have to take out. Should have it out there. And then start to pull out on your heater. Then we're going to use a tack puller to go underneath the rubber and start to peel that out if it's stuck. You see it starting to pull out here. Keep pulling, keep pulling. Slide it out and set it to the side. When installing a new heater assembly, you will install it with the terminals down. Make sure your seal is pushed all the way to the front. And inside the center of the drum, you can see a small metal bracket where the heater actually slides into. So slide it in, get it into place, and then push it into the drum until it is flush. Then we're going to reinstall the screw. And you don't want to kill it here. Just get it just enough where you know it's going to hold it into place. We're going to slide back on the cover. reinstall our terminals. And finally, your thermistor wire. Now we can reinstall the back panel. When reinstalling your back panel, we're going to get it in place and make sure the drain line is sticking in before we put any screws on. So get it up, hold it, put in our first screw. You do not have to put it too tight, that way we can move it while we are installing the others. While we're here, let's pop in that drain line. Let's reinstall this side. Tighten up that center bolt, and this would complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.